Okay, hello guys. Today our topic is about the simultaneous equations. Okay, so let's move to the first part about the concept of the simultaneous equations. Okay, so maybe you can find here first we have like maybe a single linear equation like x plus y equals to 10, but now you don't need to know why it is a single maybe for linear equations. Okay, so we can say here we have multiple answers for x and y, right? So if x equals to 2, we can say y can equals to 8, right? When x equals to 0, y can equals to 10. Okay, so we can have a lot of the answer right here. So we can set this way, we have two random variables for x and y. They are the simultaneous equations, okay? So also you can find maybe we have some elimination method if you have two maybe linear equations, like here we have 3x plus 2y equals to 16, right? And then we also have 5x minus 2y equals to 16. So first you can add the two equations right here. It becomes 8x equals to 16 plus 16 is 32, right? So the final answer is x equals to 4. So then you can substitute x equals to 4 back into the equation 1, and you can find that the answer is 12 plus 2y equals to 16. So here, 2y equals to 4, so y equals to 2, okay? And also we can use the substitution method, like here, we have two equations. The first equation is like y equals 2x minus 1. Second is for 3x plus 4y equals to 18. And we can first use y equals to 2x minus 1 to put it into the second equation. So it becomes 3x plus 4 times 2x minus 1 equals to 18. So now you can just open the brackets. It becomes 7x, it is 8x, right? 8x plus 3x is 11x, right? It's 11 equals to 18. So 11x equals 22, we have x equals to 2. Also, you can just put x equals to 2 back into the first equation. So it becomes y equals to 2 times 2 minus 1 equals to 3. Okay, so the answer here is x equals to 2 and also y equals to 3. Okay. And here we have some linear and non-linear simultaneous equations, but in IGCSE, we don't need to master all of them, okay? We just need to understand that we have such problems, we can just solve it, okay? Also, like here, if we have non-linear examples, we have the first is y equals to 2x plus 1. Second one is y equals to x squared minus 2. We can first put 2x plus 1 into the second equation, that is 2x plus 1 equals to x squared minus 2. So we can calculate as x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0, okay? That is a correct equation, okay? So then you can just using the method like factorize that, right? So it becomes x minus 3 times x plus 1, it equals to 0, okay? So the answer here is x equals to 3 and x equals to -1, okay? And also you can just trying to examine whether you have a correct answer. You can just put x equals 0 or x equals to -1 back into the equation. You can find both the solution 3, 7 and -1 are both correct, okay? So here this our lesson is very short, and here's a deliberate practice for you. If you want to try out yourself, you can just pause the video and try to do yourself. But if you want to follow with me, you can also just listen to my answers, okay? So maybe for first problem, you can find here, there's the equations 2x plus 3y equals 13 and 5x minus 3y equals to 8, right? You can first add them together. It becomes 7x equals to 21, right? The answer here is x equals to 3. And then you can put x equals 3 into the second equation, that is 15 minus 9 equals to, 15 minus 3y, right? Equals to 8. So 3y equals to 15 minus 8 is 7. So y here equals to 7 over 3. That's a first equation. And for second equation you can find here, we can just try to multiply 2 for the first equation, and it becomes 8x plus 2y equals to 28, right? Second question is 3x minus 2y equals to 5, and then you can add them together. It becomes 11x equals 33, and x equals to 3. And then you can put x equals 3 into the second equation, so that is 9 minus 2y equals to 5, and y equals to 2 right here, right? That is the second question. And for the third question, you can find here, y equals to x plus 3, right? And we said we can put x plus 3 into y equals to x squared plus 5x plus 6, right? That is it. Okay, so here we can set now y equals to x plus 3 squared plus 5 times x3 plus 6, and then you can try to solve the problem, okay? Sorry for that. Okay, it's x plus 3. Sorry, I'm so nervous because I have some other matters to do. So it's x plus 3 equals x squared plus 5x plus 6, right? That is x squared plus 4x plus 3, right? So you can finally factorize it, become x plus 1 times x plus 3 equals 0. So the answer is x equals to -1 or x equals to -3. Okay, y equals to 7 minus x into it, and it becomes x times x minus 7 minus x into 12. And then is x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. So x equals to 3 or x equals to 4. You can factorize it. X minus 3 times x minus 4 equals 0. So when x equals 3, so y value is 4. And when x equals 4, x value is 3. Okay. So that is a total answer right here. Okay. So I hope this can help you to solve for the problems. I think it's not difficult for you. Okay. So that's for our lesson. See you next time. Bye. Okay.